It's home tour day. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor in Florida. There's my sign on the door, 3472 Roanoke Street. This is off of Buena Vista. This is just north of 466. Turnkey Patio Villa. It's a colony floor plan. It's listed in the 289.9. Turnkey, look at that. So if you're looking for a home here in the Villages, Florida, you got to call me. I'm your girl. All right, so we're going to go on inside and take a look around and let me know what you think. If you want to make an offer, they can't refuse. You have to call me. All right, and check this out first before you start your search. So if you're looking to purchase a home here in the Villages, Florida, you have to check out my website, robyncavallaro.com. You can register online and begin your MLS search. Well, you can search for homes everywhere in Florida, but it'll enter your information and I can follow along, see where your saved searches are. I can set them up for you. And most importantly, we can keep in constant communication of what is new and coming that matches most of your criteria here in the Villages, Florida. So be sure to register robyncavallaro.com to begin your search. All right, thanks everyone, and let's get back to the video. All right, let's hit it. All right, this is the enclosed lanai right in the front. And again, there's some furniture here. There's tile floor out on that lanai. And the windows are glass. It's not acrylic or that plastic. And they do open and there are screens. So let's go on inside. And again, this is a turnkey home. It's 3472 Roanoke Street. And this is in the Village of Belle Aire. This is a 2-bed, 2-bathroom, colony floor plan patio villa. Now that sliding glass door is an upgrade. As you can see here, the blinds are inside of the glass, which I think really makes it open. It doesn't look, I don't know, I had that done at my house and I just think it opened up that space. And this, everything that you see here is included and it is $289.9. Great price for a turnkey property. There is a home warranty that can be transferred. It expires in December. Now this kitchen has been redone. Those cabinets are very high quality. You have granite countertops. It's a neutral color. All brand new stainless steel appliances within the past couple of years, excuse me. That sliding glass door too, I remind you, is a PELLA glass door like mine, so it's very, very nice. This electric range, but there is gas in this section, so you could put a gas range in there. In 2017, the roof, the HVAC, and the hot water heater were all replaced, and this is a zero bond home. That kitchen was renovated in 2018. And this is Sumter County, so you can, it's our lower tax base area. Peekaboo, we have some dishes. So again, turnkey means all of the dishes, the utensils, everything that's inside of this home will be yours when you make that purchase. Even including the towels, which is nice. So, you know, if this is a snowbird home, you just bring your suitcase and you're ready to go. It's awesome. You're about, I'm going to say 3 miles, maybe a little further, just a little bit to Sumter and Spanish Springs. Plus you're close to shopping either up on 42 or on 466 in that, that corridor that's west of Buena Vista. This home does have a pantry with an eat-in kitchen. Have really nice ceiling fans. 1.5 car garage. The laundry is in the garage on these properties. This one does have high ceilings. Now you notice a lot of the homes up north, especially the patio villas, have low volume ceiling throughout the entire home, but this in the main living space has the high volume ceiling, so it just makes everything feel bright and airy. And you saw, that was my photographer Todd walking in the background. And this is tile flooring. You have tile LVP carpet in the bedrooms, side by side, guest on the left, primary on the right, and this is the guest bath. See, granite countertops again. If you're looking for an investment property as well, this would be a great option for you. Again, this home, there's no bond. 2017 roof, HVAC. All right, so if you're an investor and want this as a rental, that knob I was just pointing at, in my rental home, I have an owner's closet. It's a doorknob that locks. It's pretty cool, so you can just install that little tip. All right, so this is the guest bedroom. And there are no neighbors behind here, so you do have an element of privacy, even though the patio villa does not have, that's a farm back there. Patio villa doesn't have a lanai in the back. You still, there's nothing back there. And you can use this is like a combo bedroom office, so you have some options in here. I live in a patio villa. I love it. It's enough space for me. And so it's good, snowbirds. Those are upgraded fans, which are really nice. But this will fit just about every purpose, whether you're a full-time resident, snowbird, snowflake, a-flake, no, just kidding, or if you're looking for an income-producing property. And there are carpets in the bedrooms. And there's Todd again. And this is the primary suite. Right behind that door there is a very large walk-in closet. And then you have your bath. Well, here, let's go take a walk in the closet. And I'm going to put the lights on. Yeah, so I say this all the time in these closets, you put organization in there, especially if you're going to live in there full time. This will solve a lot of your storage problems. I know that's a big concern when people are moving here, that they don't have enough storage for their things. So you just think about that. Closet organizers will make your life organized. And then this bathroom in this model, right behind the door, there is another linen closet. So you have additional space in the bath. This is this is basic shower. But everything is clean in this house. Very cute. And there is the closet behind the door. So there's so much storage in some of these homes, it's deceiving. So just think about what you have, and I'm sure there's probably a lot of things you need to get rid of. And don't forget, if you're looking to come and stay in the villages for a short period, 4 days or a month, Clara's Cottage is available for your next stay. I do a video tour of that home, and you can book it on my website at robyncavallaro.com. Let's take another look around out here. Turnkey, no bond, $289,900. This is 1,182 square feet. All the big items have been updated in 2017. And now, the garage. This is your standard 1.5 car garage. Cart would go on the side here. You can pull a full-size car in here. I have a Toyota Camry, and it fits in this garage. Let me just take a little peek outside. And there's your washer dryer, irrigation, and electrical panel. All right, thanks for watching, and call me, make an offer they can't refuse. Until next time, I'll see ya.